Welcome to my channel viewers. I hope you are all perfect. In this video you will get very beautiful and very stylish ladies kurti neck design. This is very beautiful, very stylish front neck design for ladies. I hope you will like this video. So subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. If you will not press on the bell icon, you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. So this is very beautiful, very stylish and very fabulous embroidery work, simple lace work and pulse work neck ideas for girls are given in this video. Watch this video completely, share this video and give your comments below this video. Please give your thumbs up for more latest content. You can visit my channel. In my channel you will get everything related to fashion. So please share this video on WhatsApp, on Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram or any kind of social network. Share my channel link with your friends on social network. Which one design, which one neck ideas, which one neck image did you like most from this video? Please tell us about your choice and if you are foreigner and want to your fashion related content, so please tell us about your choice. Please viewers, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to give your thumbs up. Please visit my channel at once, because in my channel you will get everything related to fashion. You will not get this kind of design from anywhere. So watch this video, share this video. You can also download this video. So almost 30 plus very beautiful and very trendy, very gorgeous neck ideas are given in this video. This is Pakistani, Indian and Western American style neck design for ladies kurti. Please don't forget to share this video and share this video with your friends as most as you can. Thanks for coming in my channel. Thank you for watching this video. So keep watching this video and please like this video, share this video for much more fashion related ideas. You can visit my channel. So see you in the next video. Please don't forget to share this video. Thanks again for watching. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.